Welcome guys to part 2. Na-skip ko kasi if 15 minutes, hindi pwede mag-post. Now, part 2 na. Kasi na malalo, Asia or Europe? Paano
Manalo talaga, Europe. Because they colonized us, they killed us.
Eh bakit? Asia, mas malaki sa Europe. Bakit
Wala ka namang weapon. Like Philippines, wala ka namang nuclear. The other country got nuclear, America got nuclear, Europe got nuclear.
We only have guns. Strong guns.
Small guns.
AK-47.
AK-47 is Russian guns.
Eh di, what will happen in the future to the military? Lumakas o humina?
Sa humina tayo. We don't have weapon.
What will happen tayo sa future?
Then we're asking a help from other countries to give us weapon, and then that means we are weak, so they can colonize us.
What if
The first president, Emilio Aguinaldo, has been colonized. He's a traitor, di ba? And we fight back, but General Luna died, or Bonifacio died, because they got no
Just
weapon.
Rizal died?
They got no weapons.
So what will happen after the future again?
The same. Wala na tayong weapon. They can colonize still.
What about we have? So what will happen if we become future again?
If we become
Future.
in the future, colonize again, ganun pa rin. Talo pa rin tayo.
Forever?
Huh?
Forever?
I don't know if forever, pero talo pa din tayo. Like us, the American colonized us. We cannot escape.
Ano kaya atin, mga countries, kaya sinaibig?
We never conquer any country. We never beat any country. Because we are not a conqueror, we don't colonize.
Like Europe?
Like Europe. Europe colonized. Because they are killers, murderers.
Nephilim. Jew.
They are Nephilim.
Jew?
Yeah. That you finance it.
What? Papa, what do you think if President Bongbong Marcos I created a 10 nuclear business bomb?
If we make nuclear, people will kill us. America will kill us.
So we will use the nuclear?
Yeah. Like Iran. Sabi ng Iran, oh, let's make a bomb. Let's make a nuclear. And America said, no. Kami lang dapat meron. Only America, kaya bubombahin namin kayo. They bomb Iran.
What if what happened if we didn't tell anyone we making a bomb?
They will know. They will find out. Because that is the work of a scientist. Wala tayong scientist.
Now it's a bus. Look at it. Diba? You will knock down the first one here. After that, you have to knock these blocks. After knocking all of them, this will fall. And let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go! No! First try! Whoa, I didn't even hit that. I only hit that. Oh my god! Look, again. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow! Papa, di ba? Ninem ko dito.
Okay.
At bigla lumipad napunta dyan. Ano yun, lumipad? Right. That gave me a heart attack. Yay! game. Papa, what do you think? What will happen if Russia gave one of their lands to us?
Land,
Yeah.
then we will become Russians. If they give us land, then we would go there to claim it. See, but we have plenty of land. But the problem is,
72,000 islands.
but the problem is, our country is very corrupt. Puro sila magnanakaw.
Mm. What will happen if Russia and Philippines swap place?
It will not happen.
Hindi. What if
Because Russia is very rich.
what will happen if Putin said, let's change with Philippines? And what will happen with the Philippines?
And we will become strong because Russia is a strong country. The Russians are good people. The Russians get good military. So, if we get a good military, pag-fight pa.
Papa, is Filipino soldiers are skilled?
They're used to skill, but they're not too fine.
Okay. Next. Papa, what will happen if Indonesia gave one of the lands to us? Like, diba, this Indonesia, they gave half of their land to us. What will happen to us? Wrong?
What? No country will give land because it is a war. If you take a land, then that means war.
Papa, what will happen?
Nakaliupan.
Papa, what will happen if Asia and North America started to attack the whole Europe?
That cannot be because Asia don't have nuclear weapon.
What?
Europe have nuclear. They will nuke us. They got plenty of weapon, airplanes, submarines, battleship. Tayo wala tayong ganun. Wala tayong submarine. Wala tayong battleship. Wala tayong nuclear. Oh, wala tayong fighter jet. We only got soldier without weapon.
Skilled soldiers?
Even though they are skilled, they got no weapon. Like your,
Papa,
like,
na paano yan?
pasayan. Like your example, like you.
Na paano yung pasahin?
I don't know. Like you. Example, you are a great basketball player, right? Example, you are a great basketball player, but you don't have a ball. How can you play basketball? Even though you're a skilled basketball player, but you without a ball, you cannot play. So, if you get a ball, a nuclear, a nuke, then you can play.
What if,
You can play war.
Papa, what if we make a...
Like Kim Jong-un make a nuclear, so that's why they are safe.
Papa, what if the country, what, Russia and Philippines are friends or no?
No,
Bakit?
because Philippines is colonized by the Americans.
Yung Russia don't like that?
Yeah.
What if Japan has nuke? Japan has nuke?
No, Japan.
Do Australia have nuke?
Japan is also colonized by Americans.
If Australia have nuke?
I don't know, maybe.
New Zealand have nukes?
No. Only 9 countries have nukes.
What? Tell me. Tell me.
America,
North Korea?
North Korea,
Russia?
Russia,
Europe?
Great Britain, America, France.
What if France give one of their bombs to us?
It will not happen because they are the net of
Now what will happen they gave bombs to us, what will happen now?
It will not happen because
No,
that is
no,
strange.
what if they do it? What will happen?
If they do it,
Yeah.
I don't know, but that is very impossible. A Nephilim will give a weapon to a Pangu people. It will not happen.
Do, in Philippines or North Korea are friends? Or no?
They are not enemies.
They're, no, friends?
They are neighbor. Neighbor country.
Friends, neighbor?
Yeah.
What will happen if they one of their bombs to us?
It will not happen. Because if America knew that we get a weapon like that, they will bomb us. Automatically, they will bomb us automatically. Oh, may weapon na siya Philippines, bomb them.
Sino
Or
sabi?
America, and then Iran is making a weapon, bomb them. Anyone that will make a weapon, America will bomb it. Because they want to colonize country. They can easily colonize country if they get no weapons. But if we get weapons, they cannot colonize.
Papa,
So
what?
America don't want
Papa,
weapons.
imagine you sitting, crying as it's almost war, and you cannot fight, and Jesus Christ came up to you, and sabi, your country will have a lot of weapons, nuclear, and we will expand your land, and will make you stronger than every country.
Patay mo na yung recording mo. Yung
Ano
recording.
sasabihin?
Yung record, mag-record pa ba yung video mo? Ano
Okay.
na to?
Part 2, ay part 3. Ay, wait lang. Gugulang ko. Wow! Thank you. Thank you. Ooh! Okay, I got all the let's another one. Another tower. Tower. Let's make another one, but it's special. You have to push it, then like that, until it backs down the tower. Wait, part 3.